Today I've got the door handle like this one from the eBay. So here is how it looks, and it's also from 2011 platform. And I'll ask my assistant to press the button, and first I will test the the replacement one which I got from eBay from 2000 from W211 Mercedes, and I've set up my meter to the resistance, and so I'm measuring right now the resistance. Press the inside button, so you see 300 ohms. Okay, release it. And could you please press the push button? So the push button is 0.46 ohms. Okay, so the next I will test the part which I've got from the Mercedes-Benz parts store. Okay, I also will set up my leads, and could you please press the inner button? You see 0.46 ohms. Okay, and could you please press the K button? 300 ohms. So according to the manufacturer information, the resistance for the button which is inside should be 300, and for resistance for the button should be 470 0.47 ohm. And right here we have the resistors is switched. So for the lock button is 300, and for the push button is 0.47. So I think this situation is answered. Someone on the factory is messed up with the resistors inside the door handle. That's why this operation is working improperly. And by the way, talking about the cross references, you see this handle from W211. So you see right here W211, and this actually from W211, and this is the replacement part I bought for CLS. You also have here W211, and my original, this is also to W211. So the question is answered. Tomorrow I'll be installing this door handle which I got from eBay to my car, and I'll film more. And this one I'll gonna return to the parts store because practically it's defective. This is just my old one, so which I broke, and filmed the video how to disassemble it. Today I'll install the replacement eBay handle, which as I was showing on the video. Okay, you kind of align it this way, then you push it this side, and in the same way you push it down until you hear the click, or it's not going out. Okay, then I want to, for the cleanest of the experiment, install this lock mechanism, and there is a wire. I drop inside. Just need to find it, make this kind of tool from the wire. Okay, here's the connector. It should be connected to this connector. Okay, so now everything is connected. So the replacement door handle connected, and I have my key. So now I will lock the car. I will lock it, and let's see what will happens if I'll press this button. Yep, car gets unlocked and the door lock is popped out. Okay, I'll close it. Then I'll push the lock button. So car gets locked. So I think this situation is self-explained. So we are dealing with the factory bed replacement parts. So it looks like this topic was created on October 2021, and since that, so more and more people start to join and post the information, because they have exactly the same problem with the reverse function of the keyless door handle. And there is some people posting the pictures of they measuring the resistance, and the one guy, actually I believe maybe he lives in Germany, and he was contacting, or UK, and he was contacting with the Mercedes-Benz directly through some employee and trying to resolve this problem. But so far we didn't got any official response, and I joined to this topic in end of November, and I also post some information and film some video, and put my information of the date of manufacture of my door handle, so we can compare if we got the plus minus the same manufacture time. And this is the door handle you saw on the video where I was testing it. There is also people posting some theirs manufacture dates of the door handle, and this is the information from the start diagnosis, where you can see what it should be the value for pull contact, for push contact. So pull is 300, let's say, and push it for 70. And there is another guy with just joined us yesterday, and he also posted his information about his replacement part, and did some posts, and also did some experiment with the door handle. And later I post the video of the first part where I'm testing the replacement door handle, and it's showing how it works in the backwards. Yeah, the situation to all of us, it's clear, as I told, and people already understood. So we're dealing with the factory defective door handles. Yeah, I want to say thank you to all people who joined this topic, and together we were able to figure it out, this issue. Thank you again.